Hey guys, it's Miss Barnett. This video is more for mom and dad. So mom and dad, for reading, what we're going to do, we're going to do a little bit more MobyMax for our reading comprehension. That's just I feel like gonna be the easiest because I can assign stuff and I can see your kids' progress and kind of monitor it that way, and there won't be any like needing of you to like send me back feedback on anything. You're more than welcome to send me back feedback, but you don't have to constantly be taking pictures and sending me what they're working on. I can just already see it. So just wanted to show you kind of, if you're not familiar, what MobyMax looks like and kind of what I'm expecting. So be patient with me. I'm learning new technology every day. So share that. Okay, so hopefully you can see me. So what you'll do is you'll go to our MobyMax page. And if you're having trouble finding this, it's definitely on the first grade page on the Holy Spirit site, but it's just mobymax.com/sign-in/HS Holy Spirit and then first. If you go to that page, you'll see this. This is exclusively just for our class, and your student can go find their name. I made a fake student so I can show you. So they'll click on their name, and instead of having to type in a password, all they have to do is pick their 2 pictures. So I happen to know who this person's password is because I made the person up. And you'll have a page that looks like this. There's just different tabs here. This first tab with books kind of gives you access to the different subjects that they can work on. And this tab and all this stuff here is completely optional. If you want to throw your kid on there to do extra work or do whatever you want, you can select it there. This tab here with the paper with the A+ and a number here, that is where I have made my assignments. So this is where the things that I assign are going to be located. Your student can pick whatever subject they want and just work for that 15 minutes, then come back to it later. But this is where my assigned stuff is going to be and kind of what I'm going to be monitoring. This next tab here is for fun. It has games if they want to play games. Down here, mom and dad, you can kind of see their progress and their time summary, how much they've been working. And the time summary shows like real time and work time. So like say you put them on for the 15 minutes and it'll say they were on there for 15 minutes, but also it'll say how long they actually worked. So this is work time. So say they were on for 2 minutes, but say they're on for 15 minutes, but they only really did 2 minutes of actual work. You can kind of see that there. This here has announcements. I don't think there's anything there that's going to be of interest to you. But they have Messenger here, so your student can send me messages if they want, or if you want, with questions. And then this right here, I don't really think anything you need to worry about that. But overall, this tab here is what our assignments are going to be and just what you needed to know. Please know that if any of this is confusing or you're having technical difficulties, please feel free to let me know. And I am more than flexible. But I picked this format, this and Lexia, because it's the most familiar for the students and hopefully for you. So let me know if you need any extra help or assistance. I'm willing to be more than flexible. Thank you.